What's up? Working on the IDI today. Got the turbo pretty much completely in. Got the oil lines all in. And yeah, I just gotta hear this thing run before I put any more time into it. I have some glow shift gauges in here. And I've got those kind of wired up in a kind of strange way just so I can see what the oil pressure is looking like. It's like the only one I have hooked up. And yeah, hopefully it should run and sound good. It's a first generation Banks kit, and I didn't have an intake hat for it, so I took the stock one, cut it apart, and threw together that little hat. And then this isn't really on here, it's just so it's not sucking the dirty air from my engine bay. So what I'm gonna do is I've got the injection pump all unplugged right now. I'm gonna just crank it over a couple of times and hopefully I can get an oil pressure reading and something in here, just so I know that I'm not gonna starve the turbo. And yeah, then I'll let it run for a minute. Don't want to let it run for too long because it's nothing over that, so it's just gonna be blowing hot exhaust smoke, but just have to hear it run, you know? Yeah, don't mind the messy engine bay. All right, so injection pump is hooked back in. The oil line here is hooked up. Had oil coming out of it. Let's see what I forgot to tighten up, I guess. See if it'll run. Pretty good. Happy with that. Sounds good. Don't see any oil leaking. Thing sounds mean now. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off before I burn something up. That was sweet. Well, gotta put floors in it next and a couple more things, but that just made me a lot more excited to get this one done. So yeah, thanks for watching.